Try this once, and you'll never go back to the old way. One egg is enough to solve a stubborn problem in just a few minutes. Take a small bowl and crack the egg into it. The egg gives the mixture a smooth consistency and works as a natural binder for all ingredients. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, which makes the mixture creamier. To boost the power, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It neutralizes unpleasant odors and enhances the effect of the other ingredients. Then add soy sauce, which makes the mixture even more active. Now squeeze the juice of 1 lime into the bowl. Its natural acidity dissolves dirt and leaves a fresh scent. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. This is what washes and spreads the mixture evenly. Mix everything well, put on gloves, and apply it directly inside the toilet bowl. Spread it thoroughly and leave it for a few minutes to let the ingredients work. This mixture cleans the toilet like a natural vacuum and brush in one. It looks polished, shines without limescale or residue, and bad smells are gone. You'll never go back to the old methods.